Hello everybody, it is Nicole, home from the hospital. That's why I put my hair up and covered it, because I look like absolute crap. But anyway, check out my nails, they're still kicking. So cute, oh my gosh. So anyway, does anybody want to know? This is what I came home to, I just want to show you. That's all nail sets. Now, a lot of these are going out to you guys for your free purchase set. I mean, there's more than that. I can't even hold how many I got. Right? But if you want to know how I got all these, because I didn't pay for them, I got them for free. If you want to know how to get about 30 cents a month for free, plus get paid, you need to talk to me about having a party, or better yet, become a stylist. It's like free and fun, and you don't even have to buy your nails anymore. And on top of that, I have girls in the house. There's 3 of us that do our nails. Hold on. So I get these to play with and give away and do our nails, and I don't have to pay to bring my daughters to get their manicures anymore. Plus, I don't have to expose us to COVID anymore, which I wasn't doing. We weren't going and getting manicures anymore, but I was spending 120 bucks taking us to get 3 manicures, and that's not petties included. So find out how you can get, I can't even keep them in order. Find out how you can get all of these for free. It's going to be posted on Facebook for free. And also, I get this really fantastic card.
Make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications.
That's right.
So you never miss a video.
I get this fantastic card where I also get actually paid. So it's not even like, oh, I just get free nails. I get paid, ladies and gentlemen. I get paid every week for selling nails. Hello, talk to me.